Hey, Bruce Naylor here, the Boomer Consumer, and I have been searching and continuing to search for the ultimate desktop tripod, tabletop tripod, whatever you want to call it. And when I watched a video from Think Media TV, Sean Connell and his gang over there, he pointed out the tripod he uses, and it is the RetiCam MT01 desktop tripod. And wow, I am a believer, and I wanted to share that with you on this channel. This video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own funds. No one's approving this video before I post it. All opinions are my own, so we got that out of the way. I look for certain things, features that I want in the tabletop tripod, and the first thing I'm interested in, of course, is the capacity. How much weight can it hold? And the RetiCam can hold up to 6 pounds. I'm looking for the stability of the tripod, and because it is more of a traditional design than any of the others that I've reviewed, it definitely has that. I'm looking for the height because that's so important when you're shooting yourself and you have a desk to use to set it on. And that's one of the problems that I have with a couple, like with the Manfrotto Evo. It was just too short at the sitting distance I am on my desk. So we have that. This tripod sells for just under $30 on Amazon. And if you're interested, I do have my Amazon affiliate link down below. And if you were to buy one, I do make a few cents. It doesn't cost you anything additional to do so. So let's talk a little bit more about some of the features of the RetiCam the MT01 tripod. So this tripod weighs 1.5 pounds, and it can go from a height of 10.75 inches all the way up to 19 inches. As I said, it holds up to 6 pounds. It has a 3-way head on it, and it has a geared center stand that we're going to show you in just a minute. It also comes with a bubble level aluminum construction, so this thing is going to last probably for a lifetime. A quick release plate, and when I looked at the reviews on this on Amazon, 90% of the reviews were 4 stars and above. So this is not some piece of junk. This is a tripod that's going to last you for a long, long time. So let's just kind of go through how you set this tripod up. Basically, you just have these little snaps here for your legs. Unsnap, like so. And we're going to actually extend it to its maximum height. There we go. Boom, boom. Lock them into place. Set it apart. This is still not the maximum height right here. Oops, didn't get that locked in. There we go. Now that's all locked in. So now it's extended to its not to its maximum height yet. So what we have to do is there's a little knob right here on the side, and then we can go ahead and crank it up even higher. And so there you go. You're up 19 inches from the bottom of the desk to the top of the tripod. Roll that back down. Now, as far as the 3-way head on this thing, here's how it operates. This handle, turn that, and now you have the up and down. And then over here is another knob that you turn, like so. Loosen up, and now you have for your pans. So now you can pan, and it's actually quite smooth. I'm actually surprised the way that this thing actually works. I mean, for the price, I don't think you'd beat it. Now, the third way is there's a final knob over here. Turn that, and now you can go ahead and do that. So that way, if you're looking to do a top-down shot, you can just have your quick release plate. Maybe for an iPhone, I wouldn't put a DSLR on it and do that, I don't think, but you could definitely do like a cell phone or something like that as well. Of course, you have a quick release plate right here, and that just is very simple to use. We'll go ahead and put this down here, and that just pops off like so. And you can get, there's actually links on the Amazon site to get additional quick release plates for your tripod. This is only about 30 bucks. It also includes a bag. Now, I don't have the bag. I've mislocated it, but I'll put a picture up here on the screen of it. We kind of repainted the office. Somehow got misplaced during all that. But I've been using this with my Canon 70D, and it is working out brilliantly. So if you're looking for something that doesn't take up a lot of space, that's very flexible, you can put it on your desk. This, however, is not probably going to be ideal for taking out and about. You could, because it's pretty lightweight. And as long as you have a stable surface to put it on, not really a replacement for like the Joby Gorilla Pod or I wouldn't consider it a tripod for vlogging, but if you're looking for a portable small tripod, this is designed for tabletops, and it excels at that. It's nice and solid, all nice aluminum on here. Nice quick release plate. You got your three-way tripod on here. You can get your pans, your tilt. It's actually pretty smooth. No, it's not fluid. So you don't have that. No, the head will not come off. It's not removable. It's just there. But you do have your bubble level to get things kind of, centered on this thing. And I think for $30, this is an incredible value. Sean Connell has this right behind his monitor, and he's got a DSLR on there. So when he's doing his live streaming, this is what he uses. And I got to tell you, I'm quite impressed with what you get for the money with this unit. Bruce Naylor, the Boomer Consumer, just really wanted to share this with you. I think it's an excellent value for the money. Talk to you later. Until the next video, everybody.